Hi guys! So I did a pour, the video before this, and it was not as white as I had hoped. So today we're going to try and incorporate a little more white to get more white into the painting. So, all right. So what we're gonna do here is all my paints are the same. I actually added back the anthraquinone blue. And when I did the anthraquinone blue, I added it after the Payne's gray. And I did that because I don't want it to show up too much, but at the same time it darkens it a bit, which is nice. I've already coated my canvas. Oops, I forgot a color. Hold on. There it is. Metallic blue. I feel like my paints are a little thin, which is quite strange because they're not any different than they were. All I did was mix up a little more white. So we'll see how it goes. That's about it for the aqua. I'm gonna do Payne's gray after that. I don't have as much paint. This is an 18-ounce cup, so I'm not sure how it's gonna do because I don't really have that much paint. I might be just shy and doing a complete pass on it, so. Might have too much blue and everything, so we'll see. Either way, I know it's gonna be pretty, and I might have to rename the series to the Abalone Series. I don't know. I'm just gonna use the rest of the white there. All right, wash that out and use it again. The paints. Okay. So what we're gonna do is a ring pour, but always start off as a straight pour because that's the way it comes out of this cup. Definitely a lot of dark in this one. So we'll see how it comes out. So I'm gonna start in a circular motion. I'm gonna come down right to that corner. I feel like I'm going backwards in my pores. I wanted to go lighter and I'm not going lighter. I'm going slightly darker, but I'm absolutely loving these colors. Bummer. But this is beautiful. I'm absolutely loving this. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna bring this in over here and pray I have enough in my cup just to cover this corner. and I'm gonna go get the other two that I've done so you guys can see them, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the other one is still, the last one I did is still drying, but this is the first one, and I absolutely love it. And the gold just shimmers on there, and the aqua comes through. It really is a beautiful piece. And there's my favorite corner. It's still my favorite corner. But I just think that it's stunning. But as you can see, definitely a little different with colors. The colors I used in this one are the same exact colors I used in here with the anthracnone blue. The other one that I did, which is drying, and I don't think I could safely transport it in here and hold it above a wet painting successfully, but that one I left out the anthracnone blue, and that is the video before this one. So I'm loving all these puffy cloud-like cells in here. This is just gorgeous. So I'll bring you guys down in just a minute so you can take a peek. Okay guys, I came up to get the camera, and what a view you guys had. I'm really loving this piece and love the bright aqua green with the gold in here. It's gorgeous. It's like a tunnel. So different from my straight pours. Maybe I'll try a straight pour on the next one. I'm just afraid that the colors would muddle too much, but we'll have to see. But this is just gorgeous. All this detail. I love it. There is a lot of paint still on here, but I'm okay with that. It'll dry fine. So I'm gonna come over here, trying to pan slowly for you guys. I love all these. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you see, please subscribe, ring the bell for reminders so you don't miss any videos that I put out. This is a little different than my recent series, but different is good. You gotta mix it up every once in a while. Anywho, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.